Hey guys, it's me again. I am going to walk you through the first module of the course in this video. So you can see the syllabus, the project number 1. I have it hidden currently, but that won't be hidden when you come in. I'll probably put project number 2 under project number 1, but the first module that you'll be doing is week 1, module 1, June 7th through the 9th. And as you can see, we have 5 weeks and 10 modules. So that means there's 2 modules per week. So we'll go into week 1, module 1, June 7th through the 9th. This is the one I was going to go over with you just to kind of kick off the course. So basically it's a list of things that you need to do. I'm going to put the walkthrough video, a link to this particular video here. I might make a walkthrough video for most of the modules just to clear up any questions that might come up. So chapter number 1 is what we're covering in this module. So read chapter number 1. Chapter 1, Nature of Art and Creativity. Watch the lecture videos on chapter number 1. Take the chapter quiz on chapter number 1 before June 9th. Watch the video on project number 1. So this video will link to a YouTube video that goes over this project in detail. Which is worth 15% of the grade for this course. So this project number 1 is worth 15% of the grade. So the video might help clear up any questions that you have on project number 1. This project is due June 20th, which is the end of week 2. So really that's coming up quickly, quicker than you realize. So begin planning and acting on what you will do for this project. Don't leave the project for last minute. I suggest getting your visit done by the end of this week, or really early next week, so that you have the rest of the week to complete the project and get it in by June 20th, the end of week 2. Complete the discussion below on what your plan is for project number 1 by Wednesday, June 9th before 11:30 p.m. And then complete the form and content assignment below by June 9th before 11:30 p.m. So typically each module, there'll be a due date, typically either a Wednesday or Sunday before 11:30 p.m. So this module, the particular due date is a Wednesday, June 9th before 11:30 p.m. So basically the PowerPoint for chapter 1, the 3 lecture videos for chapter number 1, the chapter number 1 quiz here, 15 questions, worth 30% of your overall grade, the quizzes are, so take them serious. Definitely read the chapter in your book and watch the videos. Do the plan. This is a discussion for project number 1. Just answer these 5 questions for that. And then the form and content assignment. I just want to make sure that you understand the difference between form and content. That's why I'm having you do this little writing assignment on that. Not necessarily hard, but take your time on it. 2 paragraphs is all I'm asking for. Submit a PDF file or a Word document for a grade on that one. Just read through the directions. To submit the file for that, you can go to Activities Assignments, and the form and contents assignment should be in the assignment area for you to upload your file. So that's week number 1, module number 1. And I'll try to make a video that goes over each video or each module that I will post at the top of the description area in the module itself. So anyway, hopefully this is helpful to you. Getting off to kind of a slower start with module number 1, but things will pick up, I think, a little bit with module number 2 potentially, because we're covering 2 chapters in module number 2, which is June 10th through the 13th. Anyways, we'll go over that one next week. So talk to you later.